Gusty Express. Yeah, you probably can't hear any audio I'm saying right now because it's windy. Let's go look at this thing. But something caught my eye, so I had to go check it out because it's very cool. At least I think it's cool. Wow. Look at this thing, it still even has the missile pods. What the heck? Wow, even still has the engine. Wow, what a crazy looking building. I wonder whose dog that was. Oh, there's another dog. Bink! This is the oldest town in Colorado?
San Luis, the oldest town in Colorado.
Is this the town?
Yeah,
this is
look,
San
we're
Luis?
right here.
Wow, well that explains that.
The oldest town in Colorado.
I was wondering.
That's so cool!
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, yes. I slept like 4 hours. That's okay. Because I wanted to wake up for all this. And we camped out on another airport. This airplane landed at, I don't know what this dude is doing at 3 a.m., but he's doing touch and goes. I'm not going to complain because I like the sound of an airplane, but 3 a.m. What's going through this guy's mind? And good morning to you. Hello. Look at that. Sunrise is going to be spectacular. So, today we have a task at hand. We are near Taos, New Mexico. They have a bridge here called the Rio Grand Gorge Bridge. I have no clue what this is going to be like, but the plan is to fly underneath this bridge, and we're talking a very large gap from the ground to this bridge, but kind of narrow. And from the air, I'll post a photo, it looks incredible. From the air as meaning that I saw a photo from the air. I have not seen this in person. So there's a lot of variables today. Wind is a big factor. We don't know what to expect. And I'm always cautious when flying into a canyon, or AKA a gorge. And that's a big factor. Obviously obstacles, and it's myself, my buddy Chris, and my buddy Michael, and a friend of ours who's a local down here is going to join us. So yeah, that's one of the tasks of this adventure is I got to fly underneath this bridge, which is kind of hilarious. As you saw in the last video of me trying to fly underneath the bridge many moons ago, I didn't clear it. Bridges and me aren't we don't have a good track record, so that's why I'm excited about this. Maybe I can improve that track record. Oh man, the sunset looks nice. What do you mean sunset? Sunrise. Well, let's just hope the bolts go in the right spot.
Yeah, I think I got them the right direction this time.
So we're trying to find our field we're gonna launch from. Apparently there's a suitable one down here.
I see some butt fans.
Oh, you see some butt fans? Oh man. Sounds like Otto's the one talking here. Alright, so you got your finest flip-flops on.
Hey, look. Hello.
Is it working? Turkey!
Intercom pairing. Are you in intercom pairing?
Alright, so we got to the location of where we're gonna launch from. It's actually pretty darn awesome. We did get a little yelling from the airport manager, which is kind of funny. But this is a pretty cool little spot. It's 360 views of pure openness. And test what? Are we doing a flip-flop off or what?
No.
No?
Let's test.
Oh,
Make sure we're still paired.
okay. Hey guys,
How's it going?
how's it going? I like the helmet.
Thanks, man. I
That's-
like yours too.
What?
I like yours too.
Oh, thank you.
Is it,
At least yours, you go in and hit the bridge, your face is fine.
yeah. They won't know who I am.
All right, wide open throttle.
Never had this.
Go wide open. You want me? I'll prime you one more time.
Hammer's on the side there. You see
Yep.
it?
Yeah.
Almost.
Well, I was, you know, you can always dream of flying by the bridge.
Yeah. I could just jump off with this.
Do no throttle once. Try no throttle. So, why that is because it's not priming. And when you don't do throttle, that primes it. Is why. All right. I got to mix some oil real quick. The winds look kind of strong. That's okay. I know good. Let's go back up.
Where it gets like.
We wouldn't make it with a trailer.
Yeah.
It's like a
I'm going down. Oh yeah.
I got one video. You came under and you went under the bridge, and all of a sudden you're like, "Oh no, oh no, she's not climbing!" And you're you go under the bridge. And you're like, "I'm not climbing, I'm not climbing!" And I was like, "Oh my god!" I'm like, "There's no engine out options."
I'd be landing on the side of the river. It's a little scary.
Whoa! Wow, you could just follow us around with that. The wind is going this way.
It would have been good. You don't need to worry about what it looks like on the phone screen when it's bright, because obviously you can't see it.
The thing is, we both came back in one piece, because there's points that wind was like.
I think tomorrow's supposed to be nicer.
Is it?